Now that you have decided on a communications challenge, researched your topic, identified your audience, and written your proposal, it is time to get started on the production of the first project. Today I'm going to show you how to create your social media project using Adobe Spark Post. The main purpose of this first component in your information campaign is to capture your audience's attention so that they will want to learn more. The most rhetorically effective approach here is to appeal to pathos, and you will use digital creativity to communicate your message with impact. For this tutorial, I will make an information and recruitment campaign for this online course. My audience is college students who are looking for a different kind of writing and communication course. One that gives them the flexibility to work on their own terms, while at the same time providing marketable digital literacy skills. We want to encourage more women to enter the STEM fields, so this campaign features that demographic prominently. The photos that I have chosen for this campaign have the following distinguishing characteristics. They are Clemson-centric, they feature female college students, mobile technology is featured prominently, and the photos are meant to evoke a vision of a successful professional career. In this video, I'll be showing the mobile version of Adobe Spark Post, but you can also use the web-based version if you like. Okay, let's get into the workflow. Start by taking pictures that communicate visually what you want to say. It is always a good idea to take more photos than you think you'll need, so you have a good selection to choose from. Select and organize the photos you want to use. Be discerning and select only your sharpest and most interesting images. Write down the text you wish to place on each photo, keeping in mind that you only have a few words to work with for each one. Choose words that you deem to have the highest rhetorical impact. In this case, that means emotional appeal. We are now ready to start working with our images in Spark Post. Open Spark Post on your mobile device and log in. As a Clemson student, you already have an Adobe account, so be sure to select the Education Account option when you log in. Tap the green plus symbol at the bottom of your screen to create a new post. The first thing you'll do is to select a photo that you wish to use. In my case, the images are located in the photo library on my device, so I'll choose one from there. When the image has been imported, Spark will ask you to choose a format. Next, I'm adding text to my image. You have limited space to work with, so don't overwhelm your picture. It is the visual power of the photo itself that's going to deliver the emotional impact. The text can be edited in several ways to enhance its visual appeal. Experiment with the various text properties until your image and text work together to deliver the rhetorical impact that you want. Your social media project forms the starting point for your campaign. If you are successful in your endeavor, Your audience should become interested in your project and be persuaded to learn more. Good luck, and thanks for watching.